Hi, myself Vivek Kumar. Today I am showing you connection and operation of battery equalizer up to 20 ampere and 24 string. So you can see this is for 20 ampere and 24 strings. This is a battery equalizer. This is our functions: balance control, current zero, auto balance, reset, NMC, and LFP also. You can see you can set the parameter. This balancing limit voltage is this cell is and for NMC balance start voltage for 3 volt. You can set as per your requirement. It's automatically balancing current, the cell number of string. I will show you how it's work. So this is our connection. This is the positive terminals 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly 7 8 9 10 11 12. This is for battery pack, the positive and negative terminal, and this is for common for all total negative lines for 24 strings. Just like you can see all the connection, you can 24 strings you can see. So this wire is a positive for this battery pack. So first positive of battery pack can connect their first battery, first cell you can connect there, and similarly for 2 connect the second, same for third, 4th, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and one is 13. So you can connection as per our cells. This terminal is battery pack. The main terminals we can connecting positive, you can see positive and negative. Negative connection should be total negative and battery pack negative should be equal to the connection like this. Similarly for battery pack connection for positive, the positive battery pack connection this, and you can also we can connect it in the same connection for parallel. You can connect it there. This is for 13 strings battery. One is another, the 13 string, you can connect it to the 13 here. So going to be for operation. This is for operation. You can set the balancing limit voltage 4.2 for NMC. You can set the 3 balancing start cell. You can as per your requirement. Balancing current automatically it's taking 180 milliampere. Cell number that means how many cells in your battery pack as per your cells. So you can set here manually by clicking, click and values. See cell high protection for cells 4.2 and cell high recover 4.1, cell lower protection and its current. If you change for LFP, then press this button. This is for LFP. You can reset, so reset, and going for automatic, then automatic. I can show you. This is for your battery balancing. This is packet voltage, total packet voltage, battery pack voltage. This is higher cell value and lower cell value, and the cell difference higher and lower. Lower, that is higher of in 13 cells and lower in 13 cells, both of them, and the difference between how many difference between both higher and lower. So you can see it will be reduced when it's working. So you can see value is reducing slowly, and our cells is balancing smoothly. So you can see this total about battery cell. So it's running. This is for power supply. So press on, and also when you start the machine, you can press 2 and 3 seconds for reboot. for the all values. After that you can go for value and set the all parameters, and then automatically click the automatic rerun. After that you can see the all data in front of you. This is all about the battery equalizer. Thank you very much.